Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to create Polarsteps account on phone. First, open up the Polarsteps app, then tap on Create a new account, tap on Sign up with email, type in your email address here, then tap on Continue. Set a 8-character password and tap on Continue. Enter your first and last name and then tap on Create Account. You can also fill in these details if you like and then tap on Finish Up. You can give the access to your contacts, but I will skip that for now. You can skip this too. And now you have successfully created your Polarsteps account. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.